reading my mind to me. Two times again and nothing more. A pound of weed and a bag of blue. I can feel your love pulling me up from the underground. I don't need my drugs. We could be more than just part-time lovers. I can feel your touch picking me up from the underground. I don't need my drugs. We could be more than just part-time lovers. We could be more than just part-time lovers.
One, two, three.
Blaming all of my rules, I showed up in blues and ruined your bright childhood. The last one to love, the last one to show out, the last one you thought you'd see there. And I saw the surprise of the pair in his eyes when I took his glass of champagne. Toasted you to believe we may be through, but you'll never hear me complain. I got friends, they know my faces, never keep around, every bit of the change is not away. And I'll be okay. What the hell, I'm not big. So situation, I guess I'm down to the oasis. So I got friends in my own places. I